VOX. VOX as a company was established 30 years back. It's a family company. We based on three main legs. It's a furniture production, one of the biggest right now on the world. We are presented in 60 few countries. It's based on the production of floors, doors, and accessories for furnitures. Also with our own network of retail shops in whole entire Europe, plus 400 shops. And the third, the biggest legs right now, it's polymer production. We base in few countries with our factories in Poland, Germany, Romania, Bulgaria, and I hope in the next months I will tell you proudly produce also in India, Bangalore. Our plans for India is very easy. Right now we are just scratching the market. We are doing distribution. We are doing network together with our local partners. And in next steps, we will bring all these products together with e-commerce concept for your customers, to your shops, together with shop-in-shop concept, together with e-commerce platform, and together with special platform which will connect you as architects with our sub-dealers in each city in India. In a nutshell, this is our idea for India market. We do believe in this country, in this economy, and in you as a society. Thank you very much, guys.